Nature has always carried extraordinary intelligence, but unlocking its true potential requires vision, science, and innovation. At ChemLife Innovations, we transform nature-inspired science into advanced, functional feed solutions for modern animal agriculture. ChemLife was built on a simple yet powerful belief that the future of animal nutrition must move beyond conventional additives towards intelligent, sustainable, and performance-driven technologies. By combining chemistry, biotechnology, and formulation science, we developed a platform where innovation meets practical field performance. Today, ChemLife Innovations stands as a trusted technology-driven partner for the feed and livestock industry. Our strength lies in deep scientific understanding and applied innovation. Using proprietary platforms like Ambiot, accelerated natural biotransformation technology, we develop highly stable, bioavailable, and functionally active feed solutions. Our advanced technology ecosystem includes accelerated biotransformation technologies, rumen bypass and sustained release systems, site-specific bioactive delivery, green trace mineral chelation, nano and micro encapsulation concepts, nature-identical functional molecules. The result? Solutions designed not just to supplement, but to optimize biological performance. Behind every ChemLife solution is a commitment to uncompromising quality. Our advanced manufacturing and analytical infrastructure ensures precision, consistency, and safety across every batch. Every product undergoes stringent evaluation through scientific validation systems and field performance assessments. Certified under globally recognized feed safety and quality standards, including FEMI-QS, we remain committed to delivering trust through transparency and performance. ChemLife Innovations serves a rapidly evolving industry where productivity, feed efficiency, and sustainability are more important than ever. Our concepts support feed hygiene management, mycotoxin risk mitigation, gut ecosystem modulation, liver revitalization, fertility enhancement, milk yield optimization, trace mineral bioavailability. Trusted by nutritionists, integrators, feed manufacturers, and livestock businesses, our solutions are engineered to create measurable commercial value. Innovation becomes meaningful only when it creates sustainable impact. ChemLife Innovations continues to pioneer eco-conscious technologies that reduce waste, enhance resource utilization, and support antibiotic-free animal agriculture. Our work has received recognition from leading innovation ecosystems and government-supported technology initiatives, reinforcing our commitment to responsible industrial progress. The future of animal nutrition belongs to companies that dare to innovate, companies that combine scientific rigor with sustainable thinking, companies that build solutions with integrity, consistency, and long-term vision. At ChemLife Innovations, we are proud to be building that future, one technology, one innovation, one partnership at a time. ChemLife Innovations. Science-driven, innovation-focused, future-ready.